What's up, guys? Welcome back. Happy Easter to everybody. Just want to take a little time and wore out. Um, so I was looking at some unutilized land that we have, if you want to call it that, here. And where I'm at here is, boom. So I'm going to use this little piece for some of my gardening, for watermelon and such things like that. Still going to do the planters. I have my little, say hi. Still going to do the planters, what I have there. But yeah, I'm going to utilize this little patch here. Cleaned it out. Look like, sorry. This is what it looked like beforehand. All that. Bunch of dead brush. So me and her worked pretty hard on it today. So gotta get it and till it still. I did aerate it now. Supposed to get a bunch of rain tomorrow. But but yeah, we're gonna keep messing with.
Yeah.
Just want to make a little update. You know, say hi. Say hi. Say hello. She helped me with it all day today, so. But yeah, for me, as always, stay at the ready. Say goodbye. Say happy Easter. Tell them happy Easter real quick. Happy Easter, guys.